Hello everyone, this is Barksville here and welcome back to my Pokemon card unboxing. And today, I just went to a Crimson Invasion pre-release and I've gotten 3-1. So yeah, not perfect, but I got 2, so I've got 12 packs. Alright, now let's go and see what we get. Alright. Darkness Energy, Diggersby, Pile of Swine, Counter Energy. Oh, that's always good. Glowing Geodude, Remoraid, Aeron, Staryu, Jangmo, oh, Magikarp, and I got Gyarados GX, but I couldn't use it because I didn't have Magikarp, and Mamoswine, the Wassy card. Now let's go open another Sil Valley pack. Alright, let's go see what we got. We got a Water Energy, Gastrodon, this won me a lot of games. Peaking Red card, Chinchino, look at Amazing Plea. Like, by the way, these are the cards that I used to win. I got a Salazzle promo, I got 2 Salazzle promo, Gengar's OP in the pre-release, and Gastrodon was used just in case Galzor came out. Alright, Chinchino, Starly, Numel, Chimecho, Bunnelby, Carablast, Reverse Staryu, and Starmie. Alright, so far not doing so well. Alright, another Sil Valley pack. Hopefully I can at least get more than one ultra rare, because last time like in Burning Shadows I only got one GX. Alright. We got a Lightning Energy, Sea of Nothingness, Counter Energy, Gladion, yes, Gladion, finally got one, Execute. I at least got 2 Execute, so I could have played. So I played that Lone Executor, Magikarp. This is basically the best matchup. Submerge, Minchino, Corphish, Shellos, Wassy card, Beware, and Miss Magius. And it has Chaos Wheel, so that's basically Giratina attack. Alright, that was basically another dud. So let's go open Guzzlord. Okay, let's go and see Fairy Energy, Pile of Swine, Peaking Red card, Gastrodon, Aeron, Dino, Staryu, Pumpkaboo, Stuffle so adorable, Shellos Reverse, and Camerupt. Okay, these are gonna be dud packs now. Alright. Let's get this Katana open. Alright. Fire Energy, Sea of Nothingness, Miltank. Oh, okay, Miltank's OP. Healing 90. Especially with the Gengar kind of like causing 20 damage per energy. Chinchino, Swablu, Swinub, Jigglypuff, Houndour. Ooh, now I got a Pikachu. So cute looking. Pumpkaboo Reverse and Milotic. TLC? Attack called TLC? Okay, so basically only one holo, so yeah, Alright. Last pack from the one side is one Fairy Energy, Emolga, Gladion, where's my Lusamine? Staravia, Dino, Alolan Geodude, Remoraid, Aron, Staryu, Zweilous. Oh my god, Alolan Executor GX Full Art. Okay, that's not a dud pack yet. I think this is my first Full Art GX card. Alright. It's not completely bad. Now let's start off with Buzzwole from the right side. If it was like a pack battle between the left side and right side, then let's see how well it's gonna do, because I only got one GX and one Hollow. So let's see if this side can do this. I guess I'm making a Alolan Executor deck. Alright, now let's go and see from the front, no back, Darkness Energy, Zweilous, Chinchino. Oh yeah, Zweilous was the reverse. Alright. Grumpig. Yeah, Own Temple is literally what Own Temple is. Slanded, Starly, Skiddo. There's a Skiddo in this set. Oh, another cute little Pikachu. I bet I'm trying to wait for my pulls. The notifications. Alolan Geodude. Ooh, Gladion reverse and Oranguru. So creepy looking. Alright. Katana. I see a lot of people got Katana at the pre-release. I did not get it. I want one. Alright. Okay, I think I saw something. Energy. Alolan Graveler. Fighting Memory. Gastrodon. Spoink. Execute. I don't even know what Execute sounds like. Stuffle, so adorable. Reverse Jangmo. And Silvally GX. A lot of people pull Silvally GX, but you can't even play Silvally because type null is hollow rare. It's like you can't play Solgaleo or Lunala because Cosmoem is regular rare. Oh my god, I think there's more people waiting on me. Come on. Water Energy. Chinchino. Lairon. Am I not gonna get like Lusamine or something? Emolga. Corfish. Starly. Skiddo. Weedle. Alolan Geodude. Jangmo. And Regigigas. Come on. 3 packs left. Can we get more? I wonder why they didn't choose to make the promos. Just choosing 2 of them, Regirock and Registeel, and giving Regice a shaft again. Darkness Energy, Zweilous, Haunter, Chinchino, Shellos, Bunnelby, Lineup, Monkey, Cacturn. Yeah, this is the deck that beat me because of Hunt. And Salazzle. Oh, it's a hollow rare. I didn't know that. That's at least something. Alright, Silvally. Hope you can do something good for me. I'm opening this so weirdly. Alright, let's go and see Darkness Energy. Sea of Nothingness. Diggersby, Alolan Graveler, Misdreavus, Minchino, Numel, Swinub, Swablu, Reverse Point, and Escavalier. Got too much Escavalier. Alright, let's just hope this one is gonna be something good. Let's just hope This one will be something incroyable. Okay, I'll get the thing posted. Alright, I'll get the thing posted. Alright, let's go. Steel Energy, Graveler, Fighting Memory, Gastrodon, Mr. Vis, Minchino, Nummel, Swanub, Swablu, Reverse Landed, and Miss Magius. Huh. Still better than Burning Shadows anyways. Alright, these are the pulls then. Silvally, Melodic, Scavalier, Camerupt, Full Art Alolan Executor GX, the 2 Miss Magius, 1 Regigigas, 1 Oranguru, Hollow, Salazzle, Starmie, and Mamoswine. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, leave a comment or any suggestions if you have any. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. This is basically good.